first thing I'm going to install is the handles. So, I think the way you install these, I'm going to have to drill a hole out on the other side. I got my camera on a tripod so I can bring it with me. So don't worry. This part of the packaging is screwed onto it, so I gotta break out a screwdriver. Oops. I was actually able to find it. I thought that was going to be a missing slot in the case, but I found it. I dropped everything. Clearing off the space for myself here. Let's see. This is a 532. Yeah. I should have looked at the packaging first because it probably says what diameter the holes need to be drilled at.